Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. Today we'll be going to see special audience or special ad category audience in Facebook. This video will be short because there is anything special in this special ad category or special ad category audience. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you need to log in into your ads manager inside your business manager. So I are already logged in, and we know that there is 4 types of audience. This is custom audience, lookalike audience, special ad audience, and saved audience. I have covered the custom audience, lookalike audience, and saved audience in a previous video. If you have not watched that video, I will be giving a link in the description. Go watch that video if you are interested. So today we'll be going to see about special ad audience. Facebook recently categorized this crucial categories like politics, credit, and housing, and few other in this special ad category. And special ad audience is which we use in this special ad audience in this special ad category. So you can see it here. Only available for ads in special ad category. Reach new people who have similar online behavior as your most valuable customer. So this is very similar to lookalike audience. We will see that in a moment. So let's go and create special ad audience. So all you have to do is click on special ad audience, and you can see here use for credit, employment, and housing ads. Okay, so politics is not given here, but politics also is in this category. This audience type is only available for ads in special ad category. A special ad audience use existing information about your most valuable customer, which is the custom audience, to help you reach people who have similar online behavior, which is a process of making a lookalike audience. Any audience information that doesn't comply with the restriction for the special categories of credit, employment, or housing will not be used. So let's go and continue. The first one is select your source. Same as lookalike audience, you can select source from your custom audience. Okay, you can select the audience location like geographical location, and this is limited to only countries. You cannot select city or states, so keep that in mind. And as always, you have from 0 to 10%, and you can create only 6 segmented audience at a time. If you want to create 10 segmented audience, you have to do the process twice, and once you are done, you can click on create audience, and it will create special ad audience, and you can use it in your special campaign and can promote your advertisement. So we can see it here. Tips: expand your audience for this special ad campaign. When running ad in a special category, you can create a special ad audience that may help you reach more people who might be interested in your ad. To create a special ad audience, you will first select a data source such as custom audience. Next, we will create a new audience based on similarities in online behavior with people in your source. We will adjust your new special ad audience so it complies with the audience selection restriction associated with your chosen special ad category for this campaign. So there's nothing much in this special ad audience. Just remember, it's a feature. It's same as lookalike audience, where you choose a existing custom source and you use that custom source in order to create new audience with the help of Facebook algorithm. Here we use the same thing, lookalike audience, but with a different title, which is special ad audience, and for special category, which is special campaign categories. So that's pretty much everything about special ad audience. I hope Now you understand what is special ad audience and what is special campaign, category campaign, and you can create it by yourself. So if you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment, and take care. Bye bye. See you soon.